When you're making a boat, you fold it in half, and then you fold that in half like that, and then you fold the other one in half like that, and then we fold that in half again, and that in half again, and then we take that out like that, we fold that in half, and that in half. And we go to the other corner and do the same. We fold that in half, and that in half, like that. And then we put it together, and then we fold the corners into the middle, like that, and like that. And then what we do is you get that one up there, that one up there. Stapler. Put that on, and then we go into this side, and we do the same here. Staple that like that. And then put another stapler just to make sure we've got it all. One there, just to make sure. And there we have our boat. How's that?